In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively align objects in PowerPoint, a crucial skill that can elevate the professionalism of your presentations. It's a deceptively simple technique, but aligned objects can truly make a difference in how your slides are perceived. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why alignment is essential. Proper alignment ensures that your slides look neat and organized, making it easier for your audience to follow along with your message. So let's turn on your computer and get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. This might sound obvious, but ensuring you have the application open is the first step to tackling just about any task in PowerPoint. Once you have the program open, go ahead and locate the PowerPoint presentation that you want to work on. Open it up and navigate to the slide on which you'd like to align your objects. Now, once you're on your desired slide, it's time to focus on the specific object you'd like to align. Click on your shape or object, which could be anything from a text box to an image or a complex illustration. Doing so will highlight the shape, letting PowerPoint know that this is the object you're intending to adjust. At this point, direct your attention to the top of the screen. There you'll find a ribbon of different tabs. You want to click on the Shape Format tab, which is specifically where you'll find all the tools related to editing and formatting your chosen shape. This tab gives you a plethora of options beyond simple alignment, but for today we'll stay focused. With the Shape Format tab open, look over towards the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labelled Align. Go ahead and click on this. This button will reveal an array of alignment options that PowerPoint offers. Clicking on Align opens a drop-down menu with multiple alignment tools that cater to your specific needs. Finally, it's time to select your alignment option according to your preference. The choices range from aligning to the left, right, center, top, middle, or bottom. Simply choose the alignment that best suits the design and layout of your particular slide. As you select your alignment, you'll notice the objects snap into their new position, creating a more polished and organized appearance for your slide. And there you have it, you've successfully aligned your object in PowerPoint, making your presentation more visually appealing and professionally structured. Remember, alignment is one of those small improvements that can make a big difference. So take advantage of these easy steps to ensure your presentations always look their best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.